Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OPPO A6x. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the phone app. This is the first thing we're gonna do. Now here, we're gonna press the volume up button to increase our call volume. So this is one way of doing it, because as you guys can see, if you go into settings, if you go to sounds and vibration, here you cannot change it. So you can change it while being in a phone app or while being on an active call. What you guys want to do next is make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled. So you just go right here, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure that this switch right here is gray, because when it's blue, then you will see that Bluetooth right here on the status bar is turned on, and we definitely do not want it. Now next, here we have our earpiece. It's a bit small, but here you guys can definitely notice it. Now if you notice it, then grab something like a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic, because this way you will damage your earpiece and you definitely do not want it. So grab a soft brush, brush it a few times, make sure that every single dust or everything that was stuck in it just was cleared out. And after that, what you guys want to do is simply go over and restart your smartphone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time, swipe up to restart, and now the device is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, let's enter our password, and after that, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in those settings, scroll a bit down. Now here you will see something like a system and update. Here you will go to backup and reset and click reset phone. Here all we want to do is we want to reset the network and Bluetooth settings, so we won't get rid of any of our data. We will just get rid of Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth devices, and of course the thing that is the most important, the mobile network settings. So just click here, and after that you just have to enter your lock screen pattern or any other type of password that you have, and after you reset it, everything will work. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.